because they can't control that muscle contraction, dogs sneeze, and that's communication. So they'll sneeze, they'll do like a mimic of a sneeze, and they do it sometimes when they're playing rough, because the sneezing basically says, I'm being rough, but I'm being playful. They go, I promised you I'm being... So when they do something that's a bit too rough, or they do something that's a bit too mouthy, like if he's playing rough with me or playing rough with a partner or even another dog, he'll sneeze to kind of be like, we are still playing.
So I do see our dogs sneeze.
Yeah, but a lot of time when they communicate, they sneeze to communicate. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's strange so that we wouldn't... We go, oh gosh, have they got an allergy, or what's going on? Like, no, it's usually used to communicate, to go, oh, I'm still being friendly. Hi, do you want to be friends? You know, and we humanise it by calling it sneeze. It's an exhale, like a quick exhale of air.